Good morning, everyone. It's me, Emily, and I am back with another budgeting video. I have a new setup today that I'm trying out. It's a little bit off, so I hope you guys can bear with me today. And let's go ahead and get into it. So, I am back with my budget for October the 15th, you guys. And I have two different sources of income. Today is October 15th. My paycheck was for $891.25. That was for 2 weeks of pay. Plus, I received the $250 child tax credit. Okay, so we're gonna budget this out separately. All right, so what I have to pay with this paycheck are my car insurance, utility bills, and credit cards, after school, and some other items. So if you want to know how much I pay for rent, then go back and look at some of my other budgeting videos. I did not do a budget for my paycheck last time. I just did a cash envelope stuffing. But I did go ahead and pay my rent with my last paycheck. So that's already been taken care of. And my paycheck was $891.25. Now, you don't ever see, you always see car insurance and stuff and renter's insurance, but just know that out of my paycheck, I have things that come out such as my taxes, Social Security comes out, my 401k retirement with my job automatically comes out, and that's something that I cannot stop. So that automatically comes out. It's mandatory at my job. I have a state job. It's considered a state job, so it's mandatory that we have retirement. I have health insurance, life insurance. My daughter has life insurance that comes out. I have short-term disability and accidental insurance and dental insurance. So you won't see those things listed here because they come out of my paycheck. Okay, so I have about $275 worth of deductions that come out of my check. So this is what I bring home, $891.25. Okay, so I know my setup is a little bit weird here, so I hope you guys can see. The first thing I had to pay was Duke Energy. That's what I used to, my electric or whatever for my house. It was $78. It should be coming down within the next bill or two. I live here in South Carolina where it is still hot. I think it's supposed to be 90 degrees today. It's Friday, October the 15th, so it's supposed to be 90 degrees here. Like, yeah, we're supposed to be having fall weather, but we don't really typically have fall weather here, so it does be warm up until like mid-November-ish, and then we really start seeing cooler weather then in like mid-November-ish. We'll have cool spurts here and there, but yeah. Okay, so Piedmont Natural Gas. Now, Piedmont Natural Gas will be going up towards mid-November, and Duke Energy will be coming down. So Piedmont Natural Gas is what my hot water and my heat runs on. It runs on gas. So that was $30. Spectrum is back to the regular price. I just had a COVID pandemic discount last month, so Spectrum is back to $75. Geico Car Insurance is $80. Renter's insurance is $22. I pay renter's insurance every month, so to protect my home. Where I live at, they do not provide us with any type of renter's insurance, so This is something that I had to go out and purchase, and I have it paired with Geico, so I do receive a little bit of a discount there because it is paired together. Okay, credit cards. Now, I usually list out all my credit cards, but I decided to just start just listing it as credit cards and giving you the total amount that I spend, so that it's a little bit more easier to keep up with, versus telling you how much I pay for each one. So credit cards gets $134. So I really need to work on paying these down. I'm just paying minimals right now, and I did have to charge some things lately to these cards. I had some bills that were about to go into collections. I had to charge those. I had to purchase some. Finally, I got some new glasses. I had a sinking fund for glasses, but I had to end up using that for some things in the past. So I finally got some new glasses, and I had to charge them because my glasses was on the last leg, you guys. So you will be seeing where I'm going to start paying extra on these credit cards to try to get the balances down, and I'll do a update in my updated debt payoff video that shall be coming soon. After school for my daughter is $35 a week plus $1 fee. So for 2 weeks it's $71. Grocery received $100. So these are my cash envelopes here. Grocery received $100. Okay, make sure you still can see me. I'm gonna scoot you up just a little bit and out. Okay, laundry received $20. It's $10 per week for me to wash clothes. I stay in a townhouse style apartment. For my newbies or the ones that are just seeing my video for the first time, I stay in a townhouse style apartment that does not have washing machine and dryer hookup. So I have to go to the laundromat once a week. So it's $10 per week for me to wash clothes. So for 2 weeks, laundry gets $20. For 2 weeks of gas, gas gets $60 for gas for 2 weeks. Household supplies, I don't really need much, but I still put $20 in for household supplies. New category, personal is a new category of mine. This is for any kind of personal hygiene items. I listed it separate from household. So my daughter got $10 for personal items. Okay, I didn't need any personal items, but she does. So $10 for personal items. Okay, debt payment. So I'm starting to pay down debt. So debt payment got $25. Okay. Hulu and Amazon are my subscriptions. Hulu is $7. Okay, and then Amazon is another $7, and then I only have one bank fee now because my other account has the emergency fund in it, so I don't have a bank fee for that account anymore. But bank fee $5. Okay, house savings is one of my sinking funds. And house savings received $25. Okay, let me scoot you over just a little bit more. House savings received $25. Okay, Emily, for myself, I received $50 to get my nails done, and I just got them done. So I'm gonna skip this week, and I should be going next week. These are my school colors. Our school colors was orange and black. It is also Halloween month, so I guess these could be okay for Halloween as well. All right, so I received $50. My daughter will be getting $50 towards her hair, and I need to make sure I write hair beside this, so that I'll know exactly what it is for her. So $50 will go towards hair for her. And I'm going to get ready to get her hair box braided, so I need to save up another $75 for that. So she got $50 towards hair. Miscellaneous category, received the remainder of my check. I had $22.25 left, and that went into the miscellaneous category. Okay, and that miscellaneous category is for anything that is unbudgeted. So unbudgeted that sounds funny, items. Okay, because I always have something that I forget, you guys. So $22.25 for any unbudgeted items. Okay, and then I received the child tax credit today, and it was $250, and I shall be stuffing that into my car maintenance sinking fund, and it's not going to sit there long because I will be getting my car fixed Monday and Tuesday of next week. Sinking fund. So that's what I'm doing with my child tax credit, is I'm applying that to my car maintenance sinking fund, which I also had $100 with that, because it's $350 to get time. I gotta get a timing belt. I have to get the water pump, so timing belt and water pump together. My O2 sensor. I believe he's gonna do brakes for me as well, and he's cutting me a really good deal on it for $350 for all of that. So yeah, so Ash's dad is a mobile mechanic, and he's really good at his craft or whatever. So he is cutting me a bit of a deal, because you cannot get all that done for $350. And he works on my car all the time, so he is the only one that actually touches my car. So yeah, so that is my budget for October the 15th, you guys. And I know some of you guys may not know, but I just do my budget in this little notebook here. It's just a regular composition book. I prefer paper and pen style over the fancy planners and stuff. I have planners and stuff, but I realize that I usually waste the planners when I buy them. I don't use them. I don't use calendar method because I pretty much know how my bills fall. And there will be some changes in December, because my job is going to be going away from 2 weeks of getting paid to getting paid every week, which I'll have to make the necessary changes, because I'm used to getting paid every 2 weeks. So that'll be something new, you guys. I'll have to go to getting paid every week. So I will have to actually go in and adjust my budget accordingly. Excuse me, my mouth is getting dry. But yes, so I'll have to go in and I'll have to adjust my bills and to make them fit to getting paid once a week. So that'll be something new starting in December. But right now I get paid on the 15th and the 30th of the month. So I typically, with my first paycheck, I pay my rent, my phones. So that's why you also don't see phones on this, because my rent and phones, me and my daughter's phone get paid with my rent. We have laundry, groceries come out of that, gas, and maybe one or two more items come out of that. So feel free to go back and look at my other videos, you guys. I really appreciate all of my new subbies. I definitely appreciate all of my day ones. Thank you guys for sticking with me and rocking with me. I just really appreciate it, you guys. And I'm not perfect at this thing called budgeting, but I mess up all the time. I under budget, I go over budget, and yeah, we try to be transparent over here and show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my cash stuffing video right after this one, and take care, you guys.